Alright, here's the deal. Everyone subscribed to my channel gets $40.
Rioters may steal your check.
What the hell was that?
Well, here's our next project, 70 Impala. Be doing some suspension work to it. First thing we're going to do is take this rear end out. That you can see is a 10 bolt. And we're going to install a 12 bolt, which is over here. This has been all rebuilt. It's got a posi in it. Can't remember what the gear ratio was. Got all these fancy suspension parts. Installing it, new lower trailing arms, new springs, new upper trailing arms. And the plan is use the brakes off this one because they've been replaced. I'm going to put new wheel cylinders and pads and stuff, I guess, on it. Get rid of these, put the new ones in. There's tubular ones. Get rid of the upper ones. So he's got new shocks. Owners did some work to this. Put new exhaust on it. Get a little crossover tube. Some of those are flow masters or knockoffs. You had to put a new gas tank in it. Because that rotted off. Just weld a piece of metal there. Not sure if the tank was rotted out or not. Probably was. And you have to do some work to the floorboard. Got some rust in it. I'm going to take this transmission out, put a 4L80 in it. Do the front too. Got new tubular arms, the bottom and the top, leaving the disc brakes on it, factory disc brakes on it. It's got a rebuilt, brand new rebuilt 400 small block in it. I'll show that probably later. And it's a little lower on the lift. I can't fit underneath here. Original 350 car. This has some rust. Somebody's fixed it before. It's starting to bubble out. A little rust there. And a little bit of rust back here too. I don't know if he's going to fix that or not, but somebody's doing some body work on it. We're going to get started on this. Rear end and the front end. Yeah, okay, got the rear end out. Lift her up. Alright, that's out. You take these upper arms out. There's 3 bolts back in there that hold it up in there. Thing of focus, maybe you can see them. There's 3 bolts up in here. Yeah, it's too dark to see them. There, and there. Flashlight work. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there's 3 bolts up in there. When the upper arms be off, you get rid of the shocks too. And it's time for all the new stuff. Also, I had to cut the exhaust off to do any work to this thing. Split the tailpipe off. Had to cut the crossover off. Which more than likely that's going to have to go anyways, because I think the crossmember is going to come out right where that is. Alright, got the top 2 arms on. left side and the right side until you tighten those bolts, but then you can do that until you probably let it down on the ground. That way it's not under a load. Anti-seize bolts and all that good stuff. So, you can see it's the back side nut. There's 3 bolts up in there. Anti-seize them too. Now I gotta do the bottom. Let's get the bottom in. If I try to stick the end in, but I have to move this one first. Full of dirt. I got the bottom arms on. Both of them. Got the 12 bolt. Sitting on the stands. Plan is to let the car down, hook those up. Got the light. Goes up and then put the springs in. And then the top uppers. Going down. Set it on the rear end.
Ladies' lingerie.
And it's slowly going down. I had to push that trailing arm up on the other side there before it gets too far. Got the bolts anti-seized and the nasty goop on the polyurethane bushing. Alright, got the rear end bolted in, got the springs in, lower arms under end, upper arms in, putting the shocks on. You loosen that up and stick the shock on, and then we'll be done, I guess, with that part. The rear end's in, car's going back up. Of course, right here in the dark, like always. It's in there, springs are in, shocks are on. Need to pick that up, tighten the bolts down, I guess. Got the handy stand underneath there, jack the rear end up. And tighten all the bolts down. There's a wrench stuck in there. Yeah. All of them are tight, right? Yep. Good to go. Alright, got the panhard bar on. Everything's tightened down. Should be done. I'd hook the brakes back up and all that stuff. This has 373s in it with an auburn posi is what it has in it. I got the brakes on this side done. Cable's back on. Up underneath. Over to there. Don't look at the light. In the process of putting this side on. Not quite done yet. So I gotta hook the brake line up too and bleed brakes. Shut up, cat. Anyways, the run's completely in. All the brakes are on, drums are on, lines are back on. It was on it. All I gotta do is bleed the brakes, drive shaft back in. Should be done back here. Yeah, I got the wheels back on. And you can see it's posi traction. They're both going the same way. It also has a 12 bolt now. So you got 2 bolts beside each other. Bottom 10 bolts, just got one in the middle. It's easy way to tell. 10 bolt from a 12 bolt. But I think it's damn near 1 in the morning, so I need to change my channel to After Hours Garage. I was out at night.